Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Observer, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by Ostmine, the leading industry body for Australia for mets and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is Who is PM11?
A little bit about PM11, just on this slide. So as I said, we're very much focused on solutions to optimise business processes. We do that in a variety of ways, but starting on the left-hand side, we have a suite of add-on solutions for SAP, and I'll talk about that in a little bit more detail. And those suite of solutions are all focused on delivering a productivity uplift in the maintenance work area in particular. And then as we move from left to right, the advisory services. So we leverage our expertise and experience in best practices and business process experience to advise our customers. And then we also provide, of course, project management and consulting, covering everything from any specific IT initiative and project management process through to typical SAP consulting, and predominantly in PM, in plant maintenance. But having said that, my background is in finance, and we have a variety of other consultants in different skill sets, whether that's in the warehousing process or HR or those sorts of processes as well. And then finally, we have a SAP technical team, and we boast a strong sort of technical integration team, which includes ABAPers and Fiori developers and SAP support teams. So that's our core business. And as I said, our goal is all about improving productivity, which is why PM11 and Observer really came together in the first place. We truly believe in empowering the maintenance planner through to the maintenance worker in the field. And if you're going to have success in that space, you have to give the tools to the right people in the field at the right time.